The Nithari serial killings were a gruesome and shocking series of murders that took place in the Nithari Village in Noida, Uttar Pradesh, between 2005 and 2006. In December 2006, local residents began to notice an increasing number of missing children and young women from the Nithari village. Initially, the disappearances were attributed to the migration of families in search of better opportunities. But as more cases were reported, suspicions arose. Numerous missing reports were filed to the police by the families of the victim, but no action was taken. On March 2005, some boys playing cricket found a hand in the plastic bag in the drain located behind D5. The matter was informed to the police, who declared the hand as an animal carcass and asked the villagers to forget about the incident as nothing was wrong. On the 7th of May 2006, a girl named Payal informed her father Nand Lal about her going to Maninder Singh Pandar bungalow, but after that, she went missing. Her father went to search her in D5, where Pandar lived with his servant Surinder Kohli. Pandar was not in Noida that day, and Kohli denied knowing anything about Payal. Nand Lal went to the police to register a complaint of his missing daughter, but police refused to register his complaint. Tired of visiting police and Pandar for 1 month, he then approached the Noida SSP on June 2006 for help. On the order of the SSP, police registered Nand Lal's complaint of his missing daughter and started their investigation. Police were able to find the fact that Payal's mobile phone was still in use and traced its location. Checking the call details of the Payal's number lead them to Kohli, who had called her a day before she went missing. Police arrested Kohli for further investigation, but Pandar got him released soon. Police was not able to find out anything remarkable which could guide them to the whereabouts of Payal, but the involvement of Kohli in the case was evident. Upset with the police's investigation on the case, Nand Lal approached the court on the 7th of October 2006. The court ordered the police to investigate the case. On investigation, police discovered lots of plastic bags filled with human skeletons from the drain located behind the bungalow. Bungalow owner Pandar and his servant Kohli got arrested on the 29th of December 2006. More skeletons were excavated from the drain on the 30th of December 2006, but did not found any strong evidence against both the suspects. Mere discovery of skeletons was not sufficient to prove them murders, but the discovery created a sensation in the whole country and people started demanding justice. Investigation of the Payal's case opened up the facts of disappeared children and teenager of Nithari. Pressurized with the public rage, Uttar Pradesh government handed over the case to the CBI on the 11th of January 2007. On the 27th of February 2007, Kohli made a confession in front of magistrate. In his confession, Kohli gave a detailed account of how he lured the victims, 9 female children, 2 male children, and 5 adult women, into the house, murdered them and attempted to have sex with inert bodies, chopped the dead bodies, eat their body parts, and threw the remains in the drain at the back of the bungalow. All the murders were done by Kohli in the drawing room between 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. After each killing, he would carry the body upstairs to a bathroom and chop it into small parts. He would leave the bathroom in that condition, and only after cooking some of the body parts and eating them, he would clean up the bathroom and drawing room. According to his confession, apart from him, there was another domestic servant named Maya Sarkar, a gardener, and 2 drivers employed by Pandar in his house. It is very hard to believe that not once in any of the murder, neither Pandar nor any other person employed by him noticed all these things. The Nithari serial killings led to widespread public outrage and protests. The case highlighted the vulnerabilities of marginalized communities and the inadequacies of law enforcement in addressing such crimes. On December 31, 2006, 2 police constables were suspended for negligence in their duty. Uttar Pradesh government also suspended the SSCP Piyush Mordia, the additional SP of Noida Samitra Yadav. Former circle officers Wak Ram Yadav and 6 sub-inspectors were dismissed on January 3, 2007. The trial court convicted Kohli in several cases, sentencing him to death. Maninder Singh Pandar was initially acquitted due to lack of evidence, but later his conviction was also upheld by the higher court. He was not named as a main suspect by investigators initially, but was summoned as co-accused during the trial. On the 24th of July 2017, both Kohli and Pander have been awarded the death sentence in rape and murder case of Pinky Sarkar. This is the 8th of the 16 murder cases in which the judgment has been delivered in Nithari case. The Nithari serial killings brought attention to the issue of slow-paced legal process in India. This case remains as a grim reminder of the challenges India faces in addressing violent crimes and delivering justice to victims and their families.